What's up guys, we are back here again, and this time we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi Band 5. This is a fitness tracker. It's one of the cheapest ones on the market, and I got it from the mistore.pk, which is Xiaomi's only online store in Pakistan. This is the view around the box. It's not really much. You have a lot of writing at the back. It's telling you what it's compatible with and package contents and whatnot. On the sides, it's telling you the features it has. And on the front, we have the Mi Band 5. And the 5 has the same kind of finish that there was on the 10 on the Mi Note 10 Lite box. If you guys have seen that video, then you'll know what I'm talking about. But anyways, let's open it up. It's just a simple open from the top. Once we open it, we see that there's a pull tab right here. So let's just pull it out. And right from the get-go, right in front, we have the watch. So let's take the watch out. And it's in this plastic bag. And the watch comes already turned on because there's no way to turn off the watch because it has no buttons. Now, I've already taken it out and set it up. So as you can see, it's already set up and whatnot. We'll come back to this in a bit. First, we're going to look at what else is in the box. So now we have this little compartment at the bottom. You have to roll this down from the side and you can open it from here. Right on top, you are going to see that there is the charging cable. You don't get an adapter, you only get the cable. And because this has magnetic charging, so the cable looks like this. It's not that long. I'll show you guys. It's not really that long, so you're definitely going to need to keep it close to whatever you plan on charging your device. Although I've had this for around about 3 weeks now, and when the day I got it, it came with around 50% battery, and I charged it up then, and then it lasted me 20 days on one charge. Like Xiaomi says, the battery life is 14 days, but if you turn off a few settings, like with my auto heart rate monitoring, I put it to 10 minutes rather than 1 minute intervals. And so it lasted me 19-20 days rather than 14. But like, yeah, you have all of your different, on the main watch face, you have time, date, battery percentage, heart rate, and steps. You go down, you have status, which is basically just your steps, heart rate, monitoring. You have notifications, you have stress monitoring, you have Pi. Basically, this is a standardized, let's say it sums up all of the exercise you do into one number, and this is what it standardizes it at, a Pi number, which it gives you. Then you have breathing exercises. You can adjust how many minutes you want it to do. And then you have events, weather, workouts. With workouts, you get 12 workouts pre-installed into the watch, and you can add more workouts later through the app. You need to get the Mi Fit app on your device, but after workouts. And then there's more. Over here you have different things like do not disturb, alarm, camera, music, stopwatch, timer, find device, silent, world clock, band display, and settings. In band display, you can edit different bands and go between them. So the pre-installed bands are this one, this one, this one, and then this one, basically the ones with that red remove button. These are all custom bands that I installed from the Mi Fit app. But like, yeah, overall, I'm really happy with the watch considering its price point, and the battery's been good. The display is nice. You get a lot of useful features like weather, and then you can adjust your music from your watch. Like you can skip and then rewind, pause, play, adjust the volume. And then you also have camera control features. And then the find device. This is really useful for whenever you lose it or you can't seem to find it. And then you have notifications. But yeah, guys, this was the unboxing of the Mi Band 5. You get it for roughly 5,500 rupees from mistore.pk, where I got it from. And it took a day or two to get delivered. It didn't really take a whole lot of time. So I would definitely recommend checking out that website. That's where I also got the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite from. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe because that really helps with the algorithm. Peace.